I'm Joost here with Beginner Padel, and I'm here with the Topspin Pro. It's a great way to exercise your spins at home, your slices and your top spins. This is made for tennis, but it doesn't really matter because you can also use this with your paddle racket. The ball is about the same, so it doesn't really matter that much. It's about how much spin you can get on the ball. Now it also says Topspin Pro, but you can also do your slices with this, even better than with the tennis racket. So I really recommend this to practice at home if you don't get the chance to go to the court a few times a week. You can still practice on those slices. So topspin, you can just stroke that fast from the bottom to up. And the more spin you have, the faster you see the ball. So you already have that visual feedback here. And then you can also train your slices just by doing the opposite direction, and you can see there's a lot of spin on there. So if you want to make sure that the ball doesn't bounce off the wall, then you need to practice that slice, and I think that's a very important skill to have for your vibrows, but also for your slices. When you do volleys, just get that backspin on there, and this will really help enhance your game, especially as a beginner here, so you get the chance to practice a lot more often. Now it's very sturdy. You have a pin in here, so you can set this to different heights. So my son can also use this and my wife at their height. It's very sturdy, so you can hit quite hard without it toppling over. So they really did a good job on creating this. You also get a bag with it, so you can easily take this with you on training. I've seen a lot of tennis coaches take this with them on training their clients. So that's a really nice way for you to pick this up, not that expensive, and to just start practicing your slices at home. So I really recommend this even for Padel if you want to train on your slices.